In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out what is the best time to post on Instagram. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then guys, very important, when you're at your landing page on your account, you want to click on Professional Dashboard. Over here you will find a lot of information that you could simply use when publishing, how publishing, and what actually works and what doesn't on the platform. This is where you want to click first. You want to click on total followers, and then you want to scroll down to the actual activity. This is the hourly chart and daily chart of when you have the most active users and when is the best time to publish. For example, if you click on one of these blue bars, you will see the number of hours that are available per day. This simply will help you to know which day is the best to publish the most of your content. If we break this down into hourly chart, you will see that this is a time frame when you have majority of your followers active by every single day. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.